My decadent Boston cream pie is made with a soft vanilla sponge cake, silky smooth vanilla pastry cream, and topped with my delicious one bowl glossy chocolate sauce. This classic American cake is such a treat, so easy to make, and a perfect example of the simple things in life being so good. Let's begin with the custard filling in the center. To a heat-proof jug, you're going to add some milk and butter, and you're going to microwave that until the butter is just melted. Whisk that up and then set it aside to cool slightly. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, you're going to add some sugar, cornstarch, and all-purpose flour, and you're just going to whisk that up. Then you're going to add some egg yolks and whisk until everything is well combined. Guys, if you're looking for the full measurements and the written recipe, everything is over on my website, thescranline.com. Once that's combined, you want to slowly start adding that warm milk into the egg mixture and whisk. Slowly adding it allows that egg mixture to slowly heat up rather than quickly, which can cause it to scramble. Pour that mixture into a medium-sized saucepan and mix it on medium heat until it thickens. Once it has thickened, add your butter. I would actually recommend adding the butter in 3 goes rather than all at once like I did. Mix the butter each time you add it. Once it's well combined, you want to add some vanilla bean paste, mix that up, and then transfer this to a bowl. Cover it with some plastic wrap and set it aside in the fridge to chill. Right before you're ready to use the custard, you can just kind of break it up and smoothen it out again. Once it's come out of the fridge, it's going to be really stiff and cold, and just kind of breaking it up will make it easier to put on the cake and spread it around. Let's move on to the cake mixture. To a large bowl, you're going to add some eggs and sugar, and using an electric hand mixer, you're going to whip it up until it's pale and creamy. Then I'm going to add some warmed up milk and butter, similar to when we made our custard filling, and slowly add it in there while the mixer is on high speed. Set that aside, and then to a medium-sized mixing bowl, you're going to add some all-purpose flour, cornstarch and salt, and whisk it to combine. Add that to the egg mixture along with some vanilla extract and mix it until your batter is really well combined. I know I keep on saying well combined, but if you've got a better suggestion for what I should say in the comments, let me know. Split the batter amongst 2 8-inch cake tins. I'm just going to spray the bottom and line them with baking paper. These are going to go in the oven for 20 minutes on 160 degrees Celsius. The last thing we want to prepare is our chocolate sauce, which is really easy to make. Add some chocolate to a heat-proof jug or a bowl, along with some cream, glucose syrup, and you're going to microwave this for 20 seconds at a time, mixing each time until it's nice and smooth. Our cake's baked beautifully. Take them out of the cake tins and peel away that baking paper. Place the first layer on your serving plate and add all of the custard on top. Using a spatula, you want to spread it around as flat as you can before you add the next layer of cake. There's no crumb coating or frosting with this cake. It's kind of going for that naked look. The last thing you want to do is add your chocolate sauce. Now, I actually made this cake twice because the first time I made it, the chocolate sauce was way too thin. So make sure that your chocolate sauce is not too warm. Make sure that after you've made it, you've let it cool down to room temperature. And if it's too thick, just warm it up for 10 seconds in the microwave and then drizzle it on your cake. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all going to taste the same, but I think that we all eat with our eyes, so you want to make sure it looks good. This cake is ready to slice up, and the recipe is ready for you on the website, which is thescranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen, guys. If you want to see more videos, they're going to be up on screen soon, but I want to give you a quick preview of my next recipe on my new channel, The Scran Line Everyday, which is all my savoury recipes. This week on The Scran Line Everyday, I'm going to be showing you how to make my super soft, delicious, easy pita bread. These pita breads are perfect for wraps. You can use them with dips. I love making them with my chicken souvlakia. They're so easy to make, and actually I really like them with my tzatziki, which is another recipe on my new channel. Head on over to the description box, make sure you subscribe to the new channel, and just support it and watch the videos because I'm trying to expand my recipe catalog and I want to offer you guys other recipes besides just desserts. So head on over, subscribe, and for now, I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.